Top of the fourth, we're already down 6-0. Brent's second at bat. Flied out the first time in the first inning. See what he can do. Come on, BC. Nail it. Nice hit, nice hit. Go, 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 go. Yes!
Good job, Brent. Way to go, Brent!
That's 2 for sure. Let's see. Yeah, 2.
He's not fast enough.
All right, a nice solid double. Get us started.
That's it, Brent.